Hello, I am back and I am going home with my sister with the blue hair and my mother with the brown hair. Apparently I cannot work, so I'll just have to walk. It's raining really hard. I really feel like going home right now. Okay, seriously? Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna have to, walk. Oh, actually, she's gonna throw a party, I think. Hey, Mom, are you okay? Oh, yeah, you're stinky. I'll get away from you. But, you okay? Oh, no. There's just a big stink bomb in here. Okay, she's gonna throw a party, I hope. Okay, so I am going to a party, which is actually my mom's house. Just a quicker way of doing it is what I think. So, yeah. Oh, wow, okay, impressive. Bigger than it looks. Yeah, that is like bigger than it looks. I think I should call this store. I might call this store. I might even call... No, not this one. Like, so roommate me because I am your daughter. Like, honestly, I think I should be roommated because, well, I can't open doors. I mean, I wouldn't do that, right? Like, why would I trick her? Like, why? It has no sense to it, right? Like, if you were, like, why would you even do it? You're allowed to spend their money, but why would you even do it? Like, I won't trick you, right? Like, why would I? Oh my gosh. Oh, we get the doll room. Oh well, good night. Okay. I feel like going to sleep. You know what? I just feel like, well, it's 5 in the morning and I got a little stuff to do, so I guess I'll just, start getting ready. So let's see. This is my mom's room. Lucky. Okay, so I have to take a shower because I seriously am super dirty. I am super dirty. So my hygiene is almost done. 100%. Okay, now I have to eat my breakfast because, to be honest, I am really hungry. Thank you for the sports drink. Well, now I have to get out of here. I might get in trouble. I'm gonna drink. Gah! My head's on fire. It's too hot. It's too hot. She's just playing guitar. Rude. Oh well. So, yep, almost time to go to school. I got my clothes on. Why don't I just have some free time right here on the internet? Ha 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 ha. This is the best thing ever. This is a very funny video. Ha ha ha. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, there's this. Yeah, so in real life, there's this thing called Apple, like this business called Apple, or like Apple phones, Apple computer. Now they're doing pear, so it's right over here. Then bite out of it. Wow. What shall the secret room be? Oh, it's not secret, but okay. I'll just watch, random stuff. Ooh, actually, I'm just watch this. I mean, I'm kind of wondering, just saying, I'm kind of wondering, when is school? Like, seriously, when is school? I am tired of just sitting around all day and Mom being away. Well, we have to go to school. Oops, okay. So, lol, I wish this was mine. See, it's time to go to work. I call this bedroom. No, I wish I could call this bedroom. It's my mom's. Okay. I know. I know. School. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, actually, I'll have just a little more. Oh, cool. Gamer. Okay. Take him. Oh, sad. Okay. I can't. To be honest, I want to get away from this family. Don't tell anybody. No, seriously. Don't tell anybody. Wait a second. Be right back. Boring. You know what? I just feel like, yeah, I'm gonna go switch the channel to my next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next channel. Or wait, no, I won't see you in my next channel, but you'll see me in my next channel. Oh well, you get what I mean. This is just too boring. Too boring. I'm gonna switch it to my channel. Bye!